Can a keyboard truly elevate your gaming and typing experience? This white mechanical keyboard, with its striking semi-submerged design and Cherry MX Blue equivalent switches, certainly makes a bold claim. It promises a comfortable and superb typing tool for both office work and intense gaming sessions, and honestly, that's a tall order. Let's talk about that design. The semi-submerged look is quite unique. When you start typing, it feels like half the keys are sinking into the main body, giving it a really modern and almost futuristic aesthetic. It's not just about looks though. The build quality feels incredibly solid. We're talking high-quality, durable metal ABS construction with plate-mounted mechanical keys. This thing feels like it's built to withstand even the most marathon gaming sessions without breaking a sweat. Now the switches. They're described as a high-tech black equivalent switch design, aiming for that satisfying elasticity with every tap. While they aren't genuine Cherry MX Blue switches, as the description might initially suggest, the feel is still very tactile and clicky, providing that satisfying feedback that mechanical keyboard enthusiasts crave. It makes every keystroke feel deliberate and impactful, which is fantastic for both fast typing and precise gaming inputs. Speaking of gaming, the 108-key full-size layout is great, and the fact that all keys are non-conflict is a huge plus. This means no matter how frantic your gameplay gets, every single keystroke is registered. You won't experience those frustrating moments where a crucial command is missed because you pressed too many keys at once. This is essential for competitive gaming where every millisecond counts. The LED RGB backlighting adds another layer of customization and flair. While the specifics of the RGB aren't detailed, it's safe to assume you can personalize your setup to match your mood or gaming rig. The keyboard is powered via USB, making it super convenient to plug into any laptop or PC. Overall, this white mechanical keyboard is a compelling package. It blends a unique, modern design with robust construction and satisfying mechanical switches. For anyone looking to upgrade from a standard membrane keyboard, whether for work or play, this offers a significant step up in both feel and performance. It's a comfortable, responsive, and visually appealing option that punches above its weight.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.